In this video, we're going to show you how to customize the watch face and widget loop on your new Garmin Descent G1 series watch. Along with providing the time, you can customize the watch face to show other useful information. To customize the watch face, begin by pressing and holding the menu button. Use the down button to scroll down to watch face, then use the start-stop button to select it. Use the up and down buttons to scroll through the available watch face layouts. Then select a layout. Press the Start-Stop button again to apply the changes, or scroll down to Customize to change what additional information is shown. This additional information can include heart rate, battery level, or surface interval. Select Customize with the Start-Stop button. Now you will notice that the data field in the dial is blinking. Use the up and down buttons to scroll through the available options. Press the Start-Stop button to confirm your selection. Repeat this process for each additional data field. When you have finished, a check mark will appear in the dial. You have now customized the watch face. Next, we are going to show you how to customize the widget loop glances. You can scroll through the widget loop glances from the watch face using the up or down buttons. Widget glances provide quick access to important information such as dive log, heart rate, steps, and notifications. Some widgets require a connection to your compatible smartphone. For a walkthrough on pairing your phone, check out our Getting Started video. To customize the glances, begin by pressing and holding the menu button. Scroll down and select Appearance, followed by Glances. The first thing you will see is a list of the widget glances already in your widget loop list. To add glances, scroll down and select Add. Now scroll through the list of available glances. Press the Start-Stop button to select the glance you would like to add. You can continue to add additional glances. When you are done, press the back button to return to the widget loop list. You can also change the location of the glance in the widget loop list, or remove a glance that you do not want to see. To do this, begin by selecting the glance you would like to reorder or remove. Use the up and down buttons to reposition the glance on the list. Press the Start-Stop button when the glance is in the spot where you would like it to be. To delete a glance, select it with the Start-Stop button and press the Start-Stop button again to confirm deleting it from your list. Repeat either of these two processes until the widget loop is ordered to your liking. To return to the watch face, simply press and hold the back button. You have now customized the widget loop glance list. And that's it. To learn more about your Descent G1, please watch our other videos or visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.